I love creating the structure that enables teams to put their best foot forward. We've got some really smart and talented nerds that show up and they are ready to hit the ground running. My job is to make sure that they are showing up consistently and as expected.
One challenge I face is having a big picture mindset. It's extremely important to think about what's happening today, but you also have to think about what comes a month from now, 6 months from now, and a year from now.
I find that focusing on collaboration with our domain leads, our team dynamics, and building a rapport with our clients is critical to the success of a project.
Not all projects are the same. We serve clients in industries that are diverse, so one has to remain curious and open to learning to thrive here at Nerdery as a PM. What's unique about Nerdery and the Nerdery PMO overall is that there is an open line of communication with our leaders and managers. No one is out of reach, and they're always willing to help and jump in and to help us excel for our clients.
While there's a baseline set of expectations for the role of project management, there's also a lot of room to put your personal spin on how you want to manage a project.
Personally, this is my first time being a part of a PMO that's spread across several programs. I really enjoy being able to work with other project managers because it helps us to share experiences and grow together. Not to mention, not many other people want to hear me ramble about Excel formulas I developed, so I really like being able to work with my team.
Passionate.
Open.
Pragmatic. We're at our best when we're rolling up our sleeves, figuring out the structure we need to work within, and putting together incremental solutions that solve real-world problems.